Hello and welcome to Lasse Barbecue. Let's make an all-purpose poultry and pork rub. Take 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 3/8 of a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix it together, and there you go, an all-purpose rub. I better try it, right? Yeah, lick your finger, put it in there, taste it, and I think it's a thumbs up. Oh yes? Okay, of course you need to label it. I know, we might not have to, but I have more than one spice jar, so that's it. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.